Have you ever opened your phone for just 1 minute, and suddenly 1 hour disappeared? You wanted to do something important, but somehow you ended up scrolling without thinking. You're not lazy. Your brain is fighting a battle every day. Every notification steals a little piece of your attention. A message, a video, another alert. Your brain jumps from one thing to another until it forgets what really mattered. Years ago, people could focus on one task for a long time. Today, our attention is constantly interrupted. We are training our brains to expect something new every few seconds. Social media is designed to keep you watching. Every swipe promises something exciting. Your brain starts chasing tiny rewards again and again.
Reading a page, studying, or simply thinking quietly suddenly feels harder. But is your attention disappearing, or is something else happening beneath awareness?
Your brain loves easy rewards. Watching short videos feels easier than reading one page of a book. Over time, difficult tasks begin to feel impossible, even when they are not. Every time you switch between tasks, your brain needs time to recover. A quick look at your phone can break your focus for much longer than you think. Multitasking sounds productive. It usually makes everything slower. Instead of doing two things well, we end up doing both poorly. Lack of sleep makes the problem even worse. A tired brain cannot ignore distractions. It always looks for the easiest source of entertainment. The good news is this: attention is like a muscle. If you train it every day, it becomes stronger. Small habits completely change the way your brain works. Start with just 5 minutes of focused work. Don't worry about finishing everything. Simply train your brain to stay on one task without looking at your phone. Turn off unnecessary notifications. If your phone stays quiet, your mind stays quiet too. You don't need to answer everything the moment it appears. Create a workspace with fewer distractions. A clean helps create a clear mind. Sometimes removing one object is more powerful than adding 10 new tools. Your brain also needs rest. Take short breaks, stretch your body, and look away from screens for a few minutes. Rest improves focus, not weakens it. Every small improvement matters. An extra minute of focus today can become 1 extra hour of focus in the future. Progress happens one habit at a time. Imagine waking up tomorrow and finishing your most important task before touching your phone. It sounds simple, but that one habit can completely change your day.
Start with one simple rule: silence unnecessary notifications, and keep your phone out of reach during important work. Small changes create powerful results.
Every focused minute is an investment in your future. The more you protect, the more you improve your skills, your confidence, and your life. So, the next time you feel distracted, ask yourself one simple question. Who is in control? Me or my phone? That single question can change your decision. Your attention is one of your greatest superpowers. Protect it, train it, and use it wisely. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments. What's your biggest distraction? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.